Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. As you might remember from yesterday, I did change here the higher level wave count. Not massively, it doesn't change the overall outcome, but it simplifies the entire chart. We still have this larger triangle that actually started in May, here at the low at 38.3 cents, A, B, C, D, E. All I did, I moved the wave E back. I could do that because I'm now counting the wave E of the triangle. You know, if you have a triangle like that, you would expect the price to break out to the opposite side of the wave E. And I'm counting the wave E itself, which is a corrective wave pattern, as a triangle itself. So here we have the wave A, the wave B, the wave C, the wave D, the wave E. And then I explained to you yesterday, we had already the wave 1. After the wave E peaks, you normally start an impulse, in this case to the downside, which means we have this 5-wave impulse to the downside. And in this impulse, we've got a first wave, which is a leading diagonal in 5 waves. So I'm now looking at the possibility that wave E bottomed at wave 1 bottomed at 41.6 cents. And we're now moving higher here in a wave 2. And we looked at possible retracement levels yesterday. And we already reached the 23.6% FIB level at 42.7 cents. That's exactly where we are now. Again, the price is reacting to FIB levels. I wouldn't be surprised to push a bit higher because this would be a very shallow wave 2, only to the 23.6% FIB level, even if there are no rules that would sort of limit us in what we can count as wave 2. So the wave 2 can be shallow, but in most ideal ways it would be a bit higher. So I would like to see at least the 38.2% FIB level at 43.4 cents. Should we get above that, we might be looking here at the 44 cent level, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Yeah. And basically what we can say from here then, either now or from 43.4 or 44 cents, we are going to turn down in a wave 3. At least this is currently the assumption. Would move down in a wave 3, right? Target for the wave 3 is around 35.8 cents, 36 cents. And this means further downside still expected. At the moment, it looks like we don't have a massively bearish reaction to that 23.6% FIB level, so I wouldn't find it surprising to push a bit higher. On the other hand, you've got a trend line here, which you can use to understand at which point it's going to break. So at the moment we're holding nicely above the trend line. As soon as this breaks, it's a first indication we are heading down in wave 3. You can even draw here a little bit of another trend line, a resistance level, which allows us to understand we might actually be in something like an ascending wedge, which could very well break to the downside straight away. So have an open mind here, it could be over. We have reacted to that FIB level, we've been hovering around that level, we've got this ascending wedge. So if we see this break to the downside, then that's an indication that we will push straight away down in wave 3 to that 36 cent level. And overall, an ideal level for ADA to complete the bear market would be around 30 cents. That is the 88.7% FIB level. And other than that, there is just nothing we can talk about on this chart at the moment. It is coming down, it's sliding down as forecasted. And I just want ADA to make a new low. It just would look much better in the chart now with this sideways mess that has been going on since May. And ideally ADA just tidies up this mess and then has a chance to create another impulse from that. At the moment, what ADA is doing is just not looking very bullish, all right? So that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.